Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I'm making up a beefy potato Mexican casserole in the crock pot. I ain't got time, I got a lot of stuff to do today around the house, cleaning up here and there, throwing things away. We know how that goes. Gotta start getting rid of stuff. But I wanted to share this with you guys because I don't know if I got I think I got maybe a couple of crock pot things here, but this is like a meal. And we're going to have this with some cornbread. But it's quick, it's simple, and I wanted to share this with y'all. So here I have a pound of ground chuck. This is still a little bit not froze, but halfway froze, I guess you'd say. That one piece there. Okay, and I have 2 medium cloves of garlic I'm going to put in there. I mean, we want the fat drained off this, so we don't want to just throw that in the crock pot. I want to brown mine, at least, brown the meat and your garlic together, just until it's brown, and we'll get this fat drained off of it. So just cook it till it's done, guys. Okay, I have my ground chuck all fried up with my garlic. I drained the fat off of it. Now in your crock pot, spray it real good with some your cooking spray, or oil it really good if you don't have any cooking spray. It just depends on what you have on hand. And I'm scooting this thing all over the place. In your crock pot, you want to cut up 3 cups of potatoes. Cut them as thick as you'd like. Cooking time will determine, how long they're going to cook because of how thick you cut your potatoes. But you can see how mine usually cooks between 3.5, sometimes 4.5 hours. But we'll set it to 4 hours to be safe, okay? So there we have that. I drained my fat off my ground chuck here. We're going to put that right over top of our potatoes. All right, get it all evenly spread out. And this is good too, guys. Like I said, we're going to have it with some cornbread, and maybe you can have some ranch style beans on the side as well if you want, And on top of that, excuse me, allergies. Okay, over top of that, I'm going to sprinkle over my taco seasoning. Just go ahead and get your favorite taco seasoning. Just regular old taco seasoning. And we're going to sprinkle that evenly all over top, alright? Just all over top. Already smelling good. I think I feel a chunk in there. And that's why we're not adding no salt here. This is our salt. And our cheese soup, beef broth. It's all got sodium, so we don't need no added salt. Alright. Okay, we got that over top of it. Now I'm going to add my cheese soup on top of it. Get it open. And you're going to spread this all over top. This is a 10.5 ounce can of cheddar cheese soup. Once again, somebody robbed me of my spoon. Robbing me of my spoon. Okay. If you guys hear any disturbing noise in the back, yelling, it's my son. He's here. He's in there playing a video game. And you know how that is when they live stream, if any of y'all have those live streamers out there. He's out there live on that Twitch thing, you call it, I guess. My husband says, yeah, he says, Curtis is back there. And he don't even know nothing about computers, anything, electronic things like that. But my husband always says, is Curtis back there screaming live? And he actually thinks that's what it's called, screaming, instead of streaming. Is that funny or what? And I told him one time, I says, why do you say that like that? Well, isn't that what it is? No. It's streaming, not screaming. Even though he screams, but it's not called screaming. I just thought that was funny when he thought that's what it was called. Okay, just kind of spread that cheese all over top. There we go. Can you guys see? Yep. Okay. Now, that is not enough cheese, okay? Now we're going to go in with 2 cups of cheddar cheese shredded up. 2 cups of that right over top of it. Try to stay not too close to the pot itself because it will scorch all. I mean, it's going to happen, but and it's going to spread, so just kind of stay more to the center of it if you can. And it's quick, you guys. It's quick, and it's delicious. Just don't overbake your taters. Keep an eye on them. Like I said, however thick you're going to cut them. Okay, and I have 1 cup of beef broth. 1 cup of beef broth goes right over top. Right over top of everything. Just get it evenly there. Around there in the middle. And of course, in a crock pot, you don't need any more because it's going to trap a lot of condensation there. So you don't need any more liquid. Okay. Top goes on. I'm going to set this for... Let's see. I'm going to start with 4 hours. And that's it, guys. 4 hours on low. Now you can shorten the cook time by high, probably a couple of hours. Just keep an eye on it. But I got too much stuff to do. Too much stuff to do, like I said. Well, I want to get done. And no time for cooking suppers today. Tired of fast food. Figured throw something in the crock pot. So I wanted to do this. Share it with you guys. And when it's done, I'll be back with it plated up so y'all can see what it looks like. Okay? All right. Okay, friends. Mine cooked 4 hours. Okay? I'm going to take the lid off and plate it up. It's hot. Let me get my plate over here. Okay. Got my plate. Now I need to make sure you guys can see this as I'm going. Well, let me pull some up this way, then I'll scoot this back. Nothing sticking. All that cheese and potatoes. It's like a Spanish Mexican hamburger helper. Looky there. Don't that look good? It is really good, guys, and it's different. It's different. Let me get this plated so you guys can get a better look at it. Let me tell you, my son is ready. He's like, is that done yet, Mom? Nope, not yet. I told him, son, not yet. But I'm gonna have it. I didn't have any ranch style beans, but we like black beans and we like carrots. So let's get this plated up here. Carrots and some black beans. And as I had stated, some cornbread, like my daddy used to say. He used to tell Mama, "You gonna make some cornbread?" He's definitely from the South. But there it is, you guys. We are gonna have ourselves some dinner. It's delicious. If you love tacos and you love potatoes and cheese, you're gonna like it. And the good thing about it is, kiddos, there's no onions in it, just garlic and some spices, and it's delicious. Guarantee you, your kiddos are gonna love this stuff. We have so many problems with kids not wanting to eat because we got onions and things, but there it is, you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Please hit that subscribe button and that bell for further notifications. It does help support my channel. And until next time, God bless you all. Enjoy the casserole. We'll see you later.